In this video, I will show you how to fix the days you were kicked out of the game login error using multiple methods. At first, join the last server you played on. Now, move on 50 meters in any direction, log off and restart the game. Now, fully close Days, launch a different game and play for a few minutes. Close that game and restart Daisy. Now, log back into the server you are playing. If a 15-minute timer appears, cancel it and try again. For console players, completely restart your PlayStation or Xbox. Relaunch Daisy and check if the issue is resolved. If none of the above steps work, delete and reinstall Daisy, which I will highly recommend. And that's how you fix the Daisy error. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.